Moles are common skin growths. You probably have more than one on your face and body. Most people have 10 to 40 moles somewhere on their skin. Most moles are harmless and nothing to worry about. You don't need to remove a mole unless it bothers you. But if you don't like the way it affects your appearance, or if it's getting irritated from rubbing against your clothes, removing the mole is an option. The moles you absolutely need to consider removing are ones that have changed. Any differences in a mole's color, size or shape could be a warning sign of skin cancer. See a dermatologist for a checkup. You might be tempted to remove moles at home because of the convenience and cost. Before you try to snip off your mole with scissors or rub on a store-bought mole cream, read on to learn the risks involved. Home remedies for skin tags. Skin tags don't usually require treatment or a visit to the doctor. If you choose to remove a tag, it may be possible to do so with products already in your medicine cabinet or kitchen. Most at-home remedies involve trying out the skin tag until it shrinks in size and falls off. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, which has antiviral and antifungal properties, is safe to use on the skin. First, wash the affected area. Then, using a Q-tip or cotton swab, gently massage the oil over the skin tag. Place a bandage over the area overnight. Repeat this treatment for several nights until the tag dries out and falls off. Banana peel. Don't toss away your old banana peels, especially if you have a skin tag. The peel of a banana can also help dry out a skin tag. Place a piece of banana peel over the tag and cover it with a bandage. Do this nightly until the tag falls off. Apple cider vinegar. Soak a cotton swab in apple cider vinegar and then place the cotton swab over the skin tag. Wrap the section in a bandage for 15 to 30 minutes and then wash the skin. Repeat daily for a couple of weeks. The acidity of apple cider vinegar breaks down the tissue surrounding the skin tag, causing it to fall off. Vitamin E. Aging may contribute to skin tags, since vitamin E is an antioxidant that fights wrinkles and keeps the skin healthy. Applying liquid vitamin E over a skin tag may cause the growth to vanish in a couple of days. Simply massage the oil over the tag and surrounding skin until it falls off.